Maybe like, that feels like the second time.
Really?
Yeah.
Potentially.
Really?
Yep. Now what do we do?
I don't know.
Tell us, what was your biggest
Right, so I was also lead on my epic fail. I was head of brand for a productivity app who had just been bought by a well-known education company. And we were then told they wanted us to rebrand to match their logo, visuals, and keywords, everything, a complete rebrand. So we decided to launch that rebrand with a big paid campaign on the App Store right away. We started getting tons of impressions and installs, but we also noticed conversions dropping drastically.
What had you done?
Our big mistake had been using the larger brand's name and logo without differentiating it. So when customers searched for the brand that had acquired us, they downloaded our app. And when they realized we were a productivity app, they deleted us.
They didn't know who you were.
Yeah, exactly. By changing our app name and main ASO keyword, we made it impossible for the right users to find us. So shortly after our impressions and installs skyrocketed, our organics dropped by 70%. And because users were downloading and then deleting our app, our retention rate dropped almost overnight. And then we started getting bad reviews because customers were looking for one thing and then finding another.
Right,
Yeah.
Confusing.
Yeah, it was. I mean, if I had to do it again today, I would keep the original name and ASO keyword. I would just adjust the brand to match productivity, and I'd just say that our app was now powered by the parent brand. I'd also only invest in paid keywords for productivity so that search results matched customer intent.
You know that business card I gave you earlier? Don't call me. Don't call me.